Hi friends, welcome back to Subbu's Cafe. Today I will be making a special paneer curry. Please like, comment and subscribe to Subbu's Cafe in case you like my recipe. Hyderabad is known for dishes with very rich taste. However, most of the famous dishes which originate are non-veg. So today I am presenting a paneer preparation using the same techniques. So let's start. I hope you like this special paneer recipe. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Subbu's Cafe, where happiness is homemade.